Hello, writers. I am Abigail Cloud, Editor-in-Chief of Mid-American Review, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 25th Winter Wheat Writing Festival. We're thrilled to have you with us as a vital part of this celebration. Winter Wheat exists because a group of writers each and every year agree that community, creation, and literature are important. They are worthwhile pursuits no matter what else is going on in our lives. We value that, and we value you. My modern poetry students this week have studied Gertrude Stein, who is famously quoted as saying, "Why should a sequence of words be anything but a pleasure?" We know that even in the worst writerly crunches, in the depths of delivery or revision, writing brings us deep joy, the pure act itself. So many writers I know buy blank book after blank book because those pages are possibility. So many possibilities ahead of us. Stein also wrote, a final change includes potatoes, and I could not agree more. Not just because potatoes are delicious, but because a potato, like a blank page, is possibility. I want to deliver many thank yous, first and foremost to Hannah Goss, our Winter Wheat coordinator, whose organizational skills and communication have kept Winter Wheat's phases moving forward. I want to thank the Mid-American Review staff, many of whom are presenting this weekend, whose energetic spirit and many hands make Winter Wheat run smoothly. Thank you to our volunteers. Thank you to the BGSU Creative Writing Program and Department of English. Thank you to the Ohio Arts Council. The Ohio Arts Council, as they do with many other arts organizations, provides operating grant support to Mid-American Review, one of the few sources for arts-based operating funding via grants. We are so grateful for them and their continued service, and they also make Winter Wheat and Mid-American Review possible. And thank you to our donors. Every dollar helps continue this festival, and we hope you'll consider donating via the link in the description. The 25th year is the traditional silver anniversary, and we wish you writing and connections that will never tarnish.